As parents, we take so many efforts to keep our children's safety as a priority. हम उन्हें सिखाते हैं सीट बेल्ट कैसे पहननी है, हाथ बार बार धोने हैं, do not play with fire, etc. etc. But often as parents, we find ourselves in that uncomfortable spot when it comes to talking about sexual abuse or good touch and bad touch. In this video, I'm going to help all the parents like me to help you navigate through this uncomfortable discussion with your child so that you can equip your children with the right tools and methods to prevent and confront and also respond to sexual abuse. मैं एक मदर हूँ और inappropriate touching को मैंने elementary stage में ही introduce किया था by telling my kids that they are the owners of their own body. Yes, telling them that they are the boss of their body is the most important step. And then you have to teach them कि वो कैसे अपने आप को empower कर सकते हैं about being assertive yet polite at the same time by telling their friends or sibling or relative or anybody in their peers that what is right and what is not right. If somebody is trying to harm them physically or trying to hit them, then your child should be able to speak up for themselves and tell that other person when to stop. Next important point is to not force any kind of touch on our kids. Often as parents we tend to neglect the signs kids are giving us. हमारे घर पे कोई गेस्ट आता है तो हम अचानक बच्चों को बोलते हैं give auntie a very tight hug or go sit on that uncle's lap. But what we neglect is that thin line of balance between encouraging the child to learn social skills versus teaching them the ownership of their body. So वहाँ पर एक balance strike करना बहुत ज़रूरी है that what is right for them and what is wrong for them, let them decide on their own. Because kids have a definite sixth sense of what they like, what they don't like, and they can see beyond what our eyes can see. So very important to let kids be comfortable and decide that who can touch them in what manner. It's also very important to use the right names for the private parts. जैसे कि हम अपने बच्चों को सिखाते हैं कि ये बाल हैं, ये आँखें हैं, ये हाथ है, ये पैर है, उसी तरह से किसी भी तरह का एम्बैरेसमेंट ना क्रिएट हो आपके बच्चों के माइंड में. इसलिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप हर तरह के बॉडी पार्ट से उनको अवेयर करें ताकि कल को उनको आपसे आके कुछ डिस्कशन भी करना हो तो उनको शर्मिंदगी ना महसूस हो. देयर शुड बी कंप्लीट openness between the parent and the child about discussion of the private parts. Yes, you can use the names, the right names by telling them that these are the doctor names for your private parts, but there should be absolutely no secrecy when addressing these body parts or certain private parts. It's very important to teach our kids the difference between a good touch versus bad touch. Good touch वो होता है जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ पेरेंट्स एज पेरेंट्स हम अपने बच्चों को करते हैं. स्पेशली जब हमारे बच्चे को चोट लग जाती है, वो गिर जाते हैं, तो कैसे हम एज अ मदर उनको टाइट हग कर लेते हैं. दैट्स अ गुड टच. बट ओनली एंड ओनली अ पेरेंट इज अलाउड टू डू दैट, मदर एंड अ फादर. नो अदर फ्रेंड, फैमिली मेम्बर, रिलेटिव is allowed to touch you in the similar fashion. Similarly, bad touch is hurtful, which is forced upon, it does not feel good, the child feels yucky about it. These are all bad touches. इसके बारे में भी आपको उनको विजुअली दिखाना है, पिक्चर्स के द्वारा, वीडियोस के द्वारा या खुद के ऊपर डेमो करके कि किस तरह का बैड टच उनके लिए सही नहीं है. एंड ऑल्सो यू शुड टीच योर किड्स दैट सेइंग नो is very important and is also okay. अगर उन्हें किसी भी सिचुएशन में अनकम्फर्टेबल महसूस होता है या उन्हें अच्छा नहीं लगता है, they should be very open up enough to come up to you and talk to you about it and at the same time say no right there and then. In extension to my previous point, it's not just the good touch or the bad touch that we need to teach our kids, but also हमें अपने kids को समझाना है कि sexual abuse comes in the form of visual display of private parts also, not just private parts, but the victim is also sometimes forced to see very bad videos or pictures or some other things which are not good for them and can have long-term repercussions on your child's mind and can hamper their complete physical and mental growth. सो इसलिए एज अ पेरेंट्स आप उनको हमेशा से डिफरेंट स्टेजेस में ये समझाएं कि किस तरह की विजुअल चीज़ें वो देख सकते हैं एंड किस तरह के इस तरह की सिचुएशन में इफ़ दे आर कॉट इन एन अनकम्फर्टेबल सिचुएशन वेयर दे आर फोर्स्ड टू सी समथिंग दैट इज़ नॉट राइट फॉर देम, how they are supposed to respond and react and also say a big no to it. I hope this video helps a lot of parents in establishing and fostering that friendship kind of a relationship between the parent and the child so that अगर आपका बच्चा किसी भी uncomfortable situation में हो तो वो आपके पास आकर उसको रिजॉल्व कर सके, बात कर सके एंड एट द सेम टाइम इस इंफॉर्मेशन को आप पीरियोडिकली डिस्कस करते रहें. इट्स नॉट अ वन टाइम इंफॉर्मेशन. यू हैव टू understand that this is an ongoing process to teach your kids to avoid any kind of potential sexual abuse and also learn to say how to say no. So if you like this video, do make sure that you share it with your family and friends, give it a thumbs up, leave your suggestions in the comment section below, and this is me Garima Bhandari signing off, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to FitTalk.